Welcome to Carroll Creek Villas. This beautiful ranch home built by Granite Ridge Builders offers breathtaking views of a pond. The layout of this home features an incredible split design with ample hallway space, so if you have guests, there's plenty of privacy. The great room features large windows and a gas fireplace with beautiful built-ins surrounding it. The kitchen has custom cabinets with an island, quartz countertops, breakfast bar, and a 6x4 pantry. Just off of the kitchen, you can enjoy the sunroom, which could be an extra living space. The master suite has a luxurious bathroom with a porcelain tile shower and double sink vanity. A unique floor plan design allows for entrance into the master bedroom walk-in closet right from the master ensuite bath, and then on into the laundry room. The covered veranda offers great space for relaxation and enjoying a view of the pond. With 9-foot ceilings, attic pull-down stairs, and a 3-car garage, this home is a true gem. Call Elizabeth Urschel today.